Are you a new YouTuber struggling to write titles that get you views? What if I told you there are 3 dead simple title templates that could boost your views fast? Let's be real. Writing titles is tough. It's the first thing that viewers will see, and if your title doesn't grab attention, the YouTube algorithm is going to bury your video. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a pro to be able to write clickable titles that are going to get you views. Today, I'm sharing 3 dead simple title templates that'll make your videos impossible to scroll past, even if you're just starting out. These templates are plug and play, so you can use them right away to boost your views. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you where you can download these free title templates and many more. You might be wondering, why are titles so important? Well, your title is like your poster boy for your video. Would you prefer Brad Pitt or this guy to be your poster boy? It's what decides if she's interested or if she just scrolls past. I mean, if they click the video or not. A great title grabs attention and sparks curiosity and promises something viewers can't resist. And the best part, you don't need to reinvent the wheel to nail it. With the right templates, you can create titles that drive views and grow your channel. No stress required. Let's dive into the title templates and get your channel moving and grooving. Want to know a title trick that hooks viewers by hitting their pain points and promising a fix they can't resist? I'm about to share a title template that'll make your videos feel like the answer to your viewers' prayers. But hold on, this one story is going to show you why this is pure gold. A friend of mine, Joe, was struggling to get his running channel off the ground. His videos were awesome, but nothing was clicking. One day, he tried the title template, Why Running Hurts and Why Cadence Fixes It for New Runners. Boom, his video took off and got over 10,000 views. He didn't change any of his content. He just chose a title that grabbed attention and promised a quick win. That's the magic of the title template, and I'm about to show you how to do the same. This is the why, thing, pain, and how solution fixes it for audience template. Why does it work? It's like a 1-2 punch. The why part calls out a problem your audience feels deeply, grabbing their attention. Then the how part dangles a solution, making them desperate to click. Targeting a specific audience like new runners makes it feel personal and urgent. It's a title that screams, I get your struggle and I can help you fix it. Here's a few examples on how to use the template. Public speaking channel. Why your speeches bore audiences and how stories fix it for beginners. This is perfect for new speakers wanting to captivate listeners. A baking channel. Why your cakes sink and how mixing fixes it for home bakers. This is a lifesaver for bakers chasing perfect bakes. The guitar lesson channel. Why chords sound off and how tuning fixes it for new guitarists. This is ideal for beginners frustrated by their sound. Quick tip, supercharge this title with power words like fast, easy, instant, or effortless. For example, why your videos flop and how titles fix it effortlessly is way more clickable than just how titles fix it. These words add urgency and excitement that pull viewers in. If this title feels like a game changer, wait till you see the next one. It feels like a click magnet on steroids. And that trick I teased earlier, it's all about turning titles into problem-solving gold for your audience's most painful problems. Just like Joe did to transform his running channel. Let's keep rolling. What if I told you there's a title formula so irresistible that even top YouTubers use it to rack up views? I'm about to reveal a template that'll make your videos pop off the homepage. But hang tight because it gets better. My friend Sarah was running a small DIY channel, posting great content but not getting a lot of clicks. She was ready to give up until she tried the title template. 5 easy ways to organize your home. Guess what? That video blew up. She didn't change her editing or the content, just her title. That's the power of our second template. And you are about to steal her secret. This is the number, adjective, ways to achieve goal template. Because people love lists. They're easy to digest and they give you quick wins. The number grabs your attention and the adjective like proven or simple adds credibility and intrigue. It's like telling viewers, hey, I've got something awesome and it is exactly what you need. Here's some examples so you can see how you can use it for your channel. The public speaking channel, 5 proven ways to deliver confident speeches. The baking channel, 5 foolproof ways to master fluffy cakes. Bakers want reliable tricks for perfect results. The guitar lesson channel, 7 easy ways to strum like a pro. Beginner guitarists crave straightforward advice. Quick tip, use power words like secret, must know, or game changing to make your title pop. For example, 3 secret ways to grow your channel sounds way more exciting than 3 ways to grow your channel. These words hook viewers and scream, click me. If you thought this template was clickable, wait until you see the next one. It's like a magnet for curious viewers. And that irresistible formula from earlier, it's all about making your videos feel like they're a treasure chest full of tips, just like Sarah used to turn her channel around. Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers make their videos feel like it's the only resource that you will ever need? I'm about to share with you a title template that turns your videos into a must-watch magnet. Alex was starting a travel vlog, pouring all his energy into every video, but his views were stuck in the single figures. Then he tried one of the title templates inside our YouTube Mastermind community, the ultimate budget travel guide for beginners. Suddenly, his video took off. He didn't upgrade his gear or edit the video any different. He just used a title that screamed authority and spoke directly to his audience. That's the secret sauce of our 3rd template, and you're about to learn how to make it yours. This is the ultimate topic task guide for audience template. Think the ultimate YouTube growth guide for beginners. Why does it work? It's like rolling the red carpet out for your viewers. The word ultimate signals that your video is the go-to resource, packed with everything they need. And by naming your audience like beginners, you make it feel personal, like you're talking directly to them. It's the title template that communicates this is for you, so don't miss out. Here's how you can use it for your channel. I've got 3 examples for you. The public speaking channel, the ultimate public speaking guide for nervous beginners. The baking channel, the ultimate cake decorating guide for home bakers. Perfect for hobbyists who want pro-level tips. The guitar lesson channel, the ultimate chord master guide for beginner guitarists. It promises a complete roadmap for new players. Quick tip, boost this template with power words like only, complete, or essential to make it even more irresistible. For example, the only title guide you'll ever need feels way more clickable than just a title guide. These words add a sense of exclusivity that pull viewers in. If you thought this title template was a banger, wait till we show you how to tie all 3 of these together. It's going to make your channel unstoppable. And that must-watch magnet I mentioned, it's all about crafting titles that feel like the ultimate solution, just like Alex did to skyrocket his travel videos. These are the 3 dead simple title templates to make your channel growth unstoppable. The how-to template hooks viewers with quick results. The number list grabs attention with easy-to-digest tips. And the ultimate guide positions you as the go-to expert. These aren't just random ideas, they're proven formulas to get you views on your videos. Stop stressing about titles. With these templates, you're ready to grow your channel fast. To get a hold of the free download for these templates, you can get them inside the YouTube Mastermind community. I'll leave a link for you down below so you can grab these amazing templates and take your titles to the next level. Don't miss out, join the community, and let's grow your YouTube channel together.